I'm Chris Everingham, rugby player, fitness coach, and avid traveller. I'm also half Filipino. I'm fascinated by those who have the courage to live life according to their passions. This series is about those people. They're the authors of their own life's adventures, and this is their story. Today I'm in La Union to meet Kiddo Cosio, who left a secure city life in advertising to put up El Union Coffee and raise a young family by the beach.
Hey Chris.
Hey Kiddo, how are you?
How's your trip, man?
Yeah, it's good.
Doing good?
What's on today?
Yeah, well, we're gonna check out La Union. I'll take you around.
Oh, sweet. Awesome, let's do this. Hey Kiddo, so thanks for picking me up, mate. I really appreciate it. So where are we going today?
I'm gonna take you into San Juan where I live and take you to my shop first though. We'll have some coffee and get started. You know, what I like about LU is that it's a place of high contrast. Like on Monday, Tuesday, all the way until around Thursday, it's a really sleepy and chill town. And then weekends are a crazy party. And then Sunday evening, it's chill again. And it's a good rhythm, I guess, for life.
Like I've heard bits and pieces of your story, but I'd love to hear it from you firsthand. Like, so you were here, you're sort of visiting the place beforehand.
Yeah, well, we started as part of this Manila surf community, you know? We would have our day jobs Monday through Friday. We would really look forward to weekends because we could come to La Union, surf, get some fresh air, be at the beach. That's why we came out here at first. It was just to get away. And fast forward a few years later, we decided, you know what? We like a rural lifestyle. We could live here, and that's the start of our story here.
Now that we're sort of on it, like, tell us a little bit about like your life before you moved here, and then how does that compare to, you know, living here now?
The year after we got married and had our first child, the urban kind of pace took its toll on us, and I tried driving, I tried taking the train, taking the bus. There was no escaping this 2 hours in each way that I had to travel every day. One day I was just driving home and I said, next year we're not doing this. And so my wife and I decided by 2012 we would leave. And in September, my friends Mia and Sly agreed to do a small coffee business. That was the start of El Union. It was a 6-chair coffee shop. Yeah. We did the math, and if we just sold an average of 20 coffees a day, we could live in La Union, and it was a great idea.
It's sort of like living the dream in a way as well. And that's one of my dreams as well, is to, you know, live near a beach. But to actually get up and do it like you've done, that kind of story, but it's also humble to know that that's where you came from and that's what you can do.
I think it's Thoreau said that the mass of men live lives of quiet desperation. We yearn for something better than what we have. That can manifest in ways such as just wanting to build up material things, or it can also manifest in searching for a better setup, like a better habitat, like, you know, migrating to a place where I can have a better human experience and I can share it with people on a more meaningful level. Those are the roots of our shop. And that's a repeating story across this little 1 kilometer strip that we're on. There's a lot of great people here just doing their best to do something good, I think.
Leaving the comforts of the city behind, starting from scratch, and raise a young family, that's enough to scare most people. But as I've come to learn, Kiddo isn't like everyone else. He's doing it his own way, and to be honest, he's doing it quite well.